मास्का न घालपी आणि सोशल डिस्टन्स न पाळपी लोकां कडेन आडनदर करपी वेवसायी आणि हॉटेलवाल्यांचेर खर कारवाय करची अशी सरकारा कडेन शिफारस करपाक सोदता. तुम्ही गर्देचेर नियंत्रण दवरपाक शकनात जाल्यार असले तरेची इव्हेंट करपाची गरज ना. मास्का खातीरचो दंड जाल्यार आतां 500 रुपया करपाक जाय. भौशीक बेशिस्तीचेर तिडकल्ल्या भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन आपल्यो भावना उक्तायल्या.
कोरोनाच्या चाचण्यां खातीर गोंय सरकारान नवी उपकरणां हाडल्यात, जांच्या आदारान आतां गोंयांतच कोरोना पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंटांच्यो चाचण्यो जातल्यो. पूण सुशिक्षीत लोक मास्का वापरिनाशिल्ल्याचें दिसून येता. दोतोर, नर्सी सगळे कोविड वॉरियर्स आपलो जीव धोक्यान घालून तुमचे खातीर वावुरतात आनी तुमीच अशे बेशिस्त वागले जाल्यार कोरोनाचेर आळाबंद कसो येतलो? भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन विचारला.
That all of you have been seeing that government can bring in any amount of SOPs. It is we people, we citizens, who have to respect the SOPs. Wearing of the mask in a proper manner, wearing of the mask in a very meticulous manner, moving only with the mask, covering your nose up to your throat, up to here like I am wearing, and utilizing whatever you can, and also wearing sanitization, hygiene, all these things are very important. तुम्ही जर पळयशात जाल्यार there are 12,000 people coming into the state of Goa every day by air and 12,000 people going out, coming to about 24,000 people. On the airport, if you see, there are only 60% people without masks and 40% people with masks. Then how do you expect to control COVID? People have to have self-realization. In order to control COVID and fight COVID, people need to self-realize that this can pull down anybody. But people have been told several times that if you have some slight fever or slub, running nose, slight cold, please check yourself. And we are just doing an analysis. We are trying to bring down the level of people who come last stage. People come at still are coming at last stage, and then we are unable to give them the treatment or the course, or whether it is remdesivir or anything. And we are trying our best to see that we are able to save the lives of the people of the state of Goa. We are proposing, all of us are proposing in the expert committee. They have decided, they have requested, which will put up the file to the government for consideration, is that there should be action taken against hotels and other things who do not ensure that masks and other things are put by the people in gathering. We want business to continue. Economic activity must continue. Same time, if that hotel wants business, then they must ensure that their guests wear masks, social distancing is maintained, and have functions where they can maintain social distancing. These events which are there, which are you are not able to maintain social distancing, you are not able to ensure that masks and all are properly put, then don't have the event. हांव पयर एअरपोर्टाचेर आयला, एअरपोर्टाचेर हांव मुंबय आशिल्लो, एअरपोर्टाचेर पळयल्यार 60% लोक मास्कूच घालिना, 40% लोक मास्क घालता, आनी त्या 40तले 20% लोक सारके मास्क घालता आनी बाकीचे लोक नाका सकयल मास्क घालता. नाका सकयल मास्क कित्याक घालूंक जाय? घालूच नाका न्ही मास्क. तुम्ही जर खंयचे तरी भायर सरतात तेन्ना तुमकां जर दिसता की काळजी लोकांची आमी एकमेकाची घेवंक जाय, तर हे सगळे SOPs आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन इम्प्लिमेंट करपाची गरज आसा.
पर्यटकांनी गोंयांत अवश्य येवचें. तुमी आमकां जायच गोंयचे वेवसाय चलिल्ले जाय, पूण गोंयची शिस्त बाळगियात. आमकां रिस्क घेवपाचें ना. म्हाका दिसता निदान दर्यावेळांचेर तरी सरकारान मास्क न घालप्यांक 500 रुपयांचो दंड दिवपाक जाय, भलायकी मंत्र्यान मागला.
My only thing to the media is, with folded hands appeal to the people of Goa that please wear your mask properly. To the tourists, please enjoy Goa. We want you to come to Goa. We want Goan business to thrive. But then maintain social distancing, maintain mask, wear your mask. But there should be, I feel the fine has to be, government should increase the fine to at least 500 rupees on the beaches, because these people will not understand otherwise. And second thing is, we cannot allow people to come in to put Goa at risk.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख.